Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss troubleshooting methodology, how to troubleshoot the issue, how to resolve the problem. Basically, troubleshoot means shoot the trouble. So troubleshooting basically to analyze the problem and determine the cause of the error. And then after that you need to implement a plan of action and resolve the network issue. So this is called troubleshooting. So basically to identify, diagnose and solve the network issue, we call them troubleshoot. And it is a logical process that network engineer use to resolve network problem and improve their network operation. You may face different issues in the network and you need to identify and you need to sort out those issues, which we call them troubleshooting. And it is a complete process to collect the data, to collect the logs, to analyze the problem and then solve the problem. So you need to keep few things in mind. First of all, problem isolation. You need to find out the main device, on which device the issue exists, which network device has the issue, and on which layer of OSI model is the issue. It is a layer 3 or layer 2 issue, or hardware issue, or layer 1 issue. You need to find out these two things. This is called problem isolation. Find out the faulty device and then find out on which layer the issue exists. Second, whatever you do, make a document for that. Step-by-step documents. You can also write in your ticketing system. Normally in big organization there is ticketing system. Whenever somebody face any issue, so they open a ticket. Either layer 2 or layer 3 or whatever. So you need to document those things, whatever you done and how you solve the issue, how you troubleshoot the issue, and what thing you face. You need to document those things. This is very important. It's very important for you as well. So if you face the same issue next time, so you will quickly sort out. And also for new engineer, so whenever they face the issue, you can tell them to follow these documents. And if the organization have a ticketing system, then attach those documents with ticketing system and then they can go through those steps to sort out the issue. So this is the second thing for troubleshooting. Third thing, resolve. Find out the root cause of the problem and isolate the process. On which device and which OSI model was the issue, and find out the root cause. This is also important. Not to fix something temporary and you say, okay, now it's working. Maybe they can face the same issue again. So you need to find the root cause. What was the root cause? This is very important. And then resolve and then document them. In case if the issue is big issue and you cannot solve, it's common, it's normal. You are a human. Maybe you don't know how to resolve this issue. So you can escalate that issue to your senior team, maybe layer 3. And even you can escalate them to the company partner, either maybe the vendor. Normally we normally open a ticket with Palo Alto support team and then they take a remote session to sort out the issue. Like in Cisco, you need to open a Cisco ticket and they will solve the issue. So if you don't know how to resolve the issue, don't make them complicated. It's better to open a ticket with the vendor and they will fix the issue. It is called escalation. Finally, when you fix the issue, either the vendor fix the issue, either you fix the issue. As an engineer, you need to verify few times and also you need to monitor them for a while, for some time, that maybe the issue can make another issue. Maybe one issue has been fixed, but it can generate another issue. So you need to monitor them, and also you need to verify that the issue has been fixed or not. You can use many tools to verify, such as ping, traceroute, show command, and so many other, Wireshark, or maybe capturing tool, and so many other tools you can use to verify and also to monitor that the issue has been fixed permanently or not. Or maybe one issue has been fixed but is generate a new issue. So these are the steps. You start, define the problem. What is the problem? Gather the facts, gather as much information from the user, either from whoever faced the issue. Then consider possibility. Then you need to consider which possibility, create action plan. What action you need to take, what you need to do, which step you want to take to troubleshoot this issue. Then implement action plan. Create action plan and then apply the action plan and observe the result. As I told you, you need to monitor and verify. And then utilize process. If there is something, it is stopped or not, the problem has been stopped or not. If it is not, you need to gather the facts again. And then problem resolve. If the problem has been resolved, then document the facts. Whatever you done, type those in the documents, like in step-by-step documents. Maybe as a summary you can type them. And you are done. This is finished. But in case if it is not fixed, you need to go back to gather more information about the issue. And then you need to consider the possibility, and then you need to create the action plan again, different way, and then you need to implement the action plan. And as I told you, if you don't know, either you cannot fix, you can escalate them to your seniors, and either you can escalate to the vendor. So they're gonna care about that issue. So this is called troubleshooting methodology to resolve the problem.